Hello everyone and welcome to Fun with the Fab Fork with registered dietitian Michelle Dwoskin.
Welcome back to Fun with the Fab Fork. Today we have a slightly unusual but really healthy snack cake for you. Mini muffin beet bites. They're moist and delicious, quick and easy to make, and have lots of fiber and healthy nutrients. We're using cooked beets, which you can get prepackaged at Costco or other stores, almond meal, whole wheat flour for added fiber, honey, 1 egg, coconut oil, or you can use butter if you prefer. And since some diets don't allow for chocolate, we are using Carob powder today. I'm using a hand mixer here, but you can use a blender or a food processor if you have that preference. You'll want to stick around to the end of the video to see why beets are so good for you. I'll explain all of that. I'm using a silicone muffin pan here, but feel free to use any type. It shouldn't change the temperature or the timing on the cooking at all. So why are beets so healthy for us? Well, they're a really good source of potassium, folate, fiber, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, and B vitamins. They also contain phytosterols, which are plant-based chemicals, and studies show that they can block our body's absorption of cholesterol. Beets can also help the body to produce a natural substance called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, which means that it can open up the blood vessels, causing them to widen. This allows for better blood flow and may help to lower blood pressure. And finally, beets contain betalains. This chemical gives them their dark red color, and research shows that they have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Beets. Beets, not just good tasting, but so good for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, which we really hope you did, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Peace, love, and good eating.